One thing that always puts a smile on my face is getting those emails from people on the other side of the world saying that they've made it. They got a better job, they got a promotion, or they finally found a job after months of radio silence. But let's be honest, it is your hard work and your success that got you there. What I did was give you a little nudge in the right direction. But all those messages and all those emails also prove that the stuff I'm doing makes sense. At least on some level it does make a difference, it does change the world for the better, even in a tiny little way. And yeah, those books and courses seem to actually work. That's why today, on the week of my birthday, I'm making a special promo. There's going to be a 41% discount on everything, but only 41 people who get it first are gonna get it. Once all 41 codes are used up, it's over, so make sure to do it quick. And if you want to learn design and progress, this is the path that most people take to be successful as junior designers, so to get their first job or to get a promotion. I truly appreciate you being with me on this journey. We just passed 5 million views on YouTube and I still can't believe it, remembering how my first videos looked like 3 years ago. And this you I'm talking to right now is not plural. No, I mean you, sitting somewhere on the other side of the world looking at this right now. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Because thanks to you, I always have a beautiful day. And I hope you will too.